Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, of famous YouTube channel Enriching Knowledge. Class 7 CBSE practical of computer subjects are ongoing, and this is the unit second, which is regarding tinkercad, circuit assemblies and circuits. Now this is second exercise which we are solving here, and yes, please concentrate on the questions. We'll solve it very easily in a simple way. The first part is fill in the blank. What is the question? A process in a tinkercad where we can develop electronic circuits that can be quickly updated, modified and tested is called. This process is known as prototyping. Prototyping means what? You can simply call it designing or circuit assembling or checking of the projects which you are creating. Okay, now the next question is in tinkercad dash dash test the working of the circuits and the components. How we can check our project is properly working or not? There is a simple mechanism provided in the tinkercad is simulation. We can start the simulation and we can stop the simulation. Simulation is nothing but the testing process. Now move to the next question. The device used to assemble and connect the various components is known as. What it is known as? You know very well, where we can attach all the components, all the things. Yes, look at this diagram. The answer is breadboard, where we can attach all the electronic components and check it. The next question is in an electronic circuit with LED, the positive end of the circuit should be connected to. Okay, now here is a LED in front of you. Look at this. It's LED. The curved leg or connector of the LED is very cathode and anode. So this is anode, and anode part is positive part. Now tell me the answer of this fill in the blank, friends. The answer is C. In an electronic circuit of with LED, the positive end is connected to cathode, anode, and negative end should be connected to cathode. See, here is a cathode and here is a anode. The curved leg is anode and straight leg is cathode. So the negative end is connected to cathode and positive end is connected to anode. So the answer is here anode and here negative for cathode. Got it? Next question. A dash dash is used to restrict the flow of current to electrical components. What is the answer? The answer is simple, resistor, and the meaning of resistor itself is that making control of flow or controlling the flow of power or energy. Fine. Now we'll move to the next question. Label the following. Here is a LED and we have discussed about it just before few seconds ago. This is anode and this is cathode. This is positive end, this is negative end. So it's simple to understand LED and anode and cathode. Now the next question are different parts of breadboard, and you know very well breadboard is used to connect various parts on it, and we can just simply attach the parts and we can just simply check the things are working properly or not. Now there are three parts of the breadboard, but there are another two parts inside the board. We'll see one by one. The edge, the side lines, see the side lines, these are called as edges. These are edges, okay, side part. Now the main part is here. The central part is known as main area. What is it? It is main area. Okay, now three parts, three sections of the breadboard. This is edge, first edge, this is second edge, and here is the central part, that is main area. Now the another two things are, see, these are the columns. These are columns. Columns are identified by, see, characters, alphabets A, B, C, D, E. F, G, H, I, J, K, J, okay, it's up to J. So these are columns. And what are the rows? There are how many rows? You can just calculate. It's very simple to identify the row, that is 30. See the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's up to 30. So 30 rows, and how many columns are there, friends? 10. Okay, A, B, C, D, E and F, G, H, I, J. So this is all about breadboard. Now question number 3. Here the sub question is, what is transparency? What is transparent effect? It's very easy to understand the transparent effect. What is transparency? When you add parts. Now I will explain this thing using this diagram. See friends, this diagram. This is a visible. This is visible image, and the another one is transparent. See, from that object you can see the things which are next to that image. Okay, so transparency means what? Visible. We can just pass the light from that object. That is the concept of transparency. The things like colors or lights can pass the object, pass through the object. That is what is transparency. So when you make the things transparent, you can understand how the objects will look like. Okay, from internally as well. See, if this image is showing the outer look, the transparent image will tell you internal look, or how the objects are connected to each other. See, how many objects are there? There is a base, there is a box, there is a shaft. Okay, below, above that there will be fan. So that becomes easy to understand the connectivity of various parts using transparency. And as well, when you transparent object, when you make it whole, see friends, okay, when you make it whole, it becomes transparent and it becomes easy to cut the things. So that is what is use of transparent option. Now we'll go to next question, that is breadboard. And breadboard is just above you. Okay, and they are telling explain the following components. So I can easily tell you breadboard is an electronic assembly platform. It is just simple as it is. It is made up of plastic kind of material, and internally there are connectors, and using this breadboard we can connect uh, electronic elements like LED, like batteries and many kind of buttons, etc., as we have already seen in the previous video also. So breadboard is just a circuit mechanism. It is just a plastic material kind of thing which has some holes. These are the holes. These are the holes where we can connect the things like LED light. Okay, so this is all about breadboard. The next thing is LED light. They are talking about explanation, and here is a LED light. As I told you, LED light is just a light which emits the light. Now there are two connectors or two paths for each and every LED light. The curved kind of leg is known as anode, and which has a positive end, and the straight part is known as cathode, which has a negative end. So it is so simple to remember the LED concept. Now the next thing is resistor, and resistor is nothing but the you can call it the component of circuit assembly or the electronic element which controls the flow of current. Now I will just show you here the last question. Okay, I will explain resistor in the last question, so it becomes very easy to understand. The next question is, what are circuit assemblies? Explain with the help of glow circuit assembly. Just look at the this image. See, this is a heading, circuit assembly. What it is talking? Circuit assemblies are pre-mode circuits that can be used in 3D designs, or in a simple words I can tell you, circuit assemblies are helpful to create 3D designs. It's so simple. And circuit assemblies are predefined circuits, already made, already created circuits. Using that, we can create 3D designs. It is so simple. Now, in the question, they are asking explain the help of with the help of glow circuit assembly. I will show you. Here is a glow circuit assembly. Glow means what? See, glowing. Glowing means to emitting the light, so it becomes glow. Now I will tell you, glow circuit assembly combines light emitting diode, that is light, LED light. Another part of glow circuit assembly is cell battery, because without battery light cannot glow. So only two things. Now the assembly is made up of two things. The first one is glow holder, which is at the base, and the another one is glow cutout, which is at the top. So there are two parts of the glow circuit assembly, which makes this kind of light, or we can simply call it night lamp kind of thing. That is what is glow circuit assembly. We'll go to the questions again. Now the next question is, list the electronic components used in the spin circuit assembly. Spin means what? Windmill kind of structure. See in front of you, what is spin circuit assembly? Just read. It is used to spin a part of 3D design, as you can see here, like a windmill, and which is given at the base. See, this line is very easy. This line helps you. Spin circuit assembly is used to create design like windmill. Okay, so it is very easy to understand the windmill concept, and it is already well known. Now, spin circuit assembly contains two parts, spin holder and spin cutout, as like glow. This is spin cutout and this is spin holder. So, as you can see, they are showing transparently using this. Okay, so cutout means nothing but the connectivity, connected parts to each other, because when you put transparent part over the another part, it cuts the previous part. So that is what is cut out. So that's why it's very easy to understand. There are two parts. First one is a holder and another one is a cutout part, or you can just say the entire thing is just creating a base of windmill. That is what is simple understanding of our spin circuit assembly. The last question is, observe the circuit given below. What has happened to the LED? Give reasons for the answer. Yes, now here I will answer the explanation of resistor also. Just look at the diagram now. Friends, it's very easy to understand, and we have done this practically in the lab. As you can see, there is a LED light and which shows blast. Okay, so it is blast. It because there is no resistor. Because why it is getting blast? Because directly power supply passing to the LED, and this power supply is more than enough for the small LED light. It requires small, and battery is providing larger current supply. So why it is happening? Because there is no resistor. And what is the use of resistor? Resistor is used to control the flow of current. So this is very simple understanding of resistor and the reason of this question also. If you have any query, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe and press bell button.